Hey, I'm nationwide ERISA long-term disability attorney Nancy Cavey. I'm here at FDR's home in Hyde Park, New York. I have been amazed by my visit and just overwhelmed with what FDR accomplished in the course of his administration and the legacy that he has left us today. In terms of legacies, though, when you apply for your long-term disability benefits, the disability insurance carrier is creating a record. It's called the administrative record. It's not really an administrative record. It's really what the carrier's file has in it at the time of the last denial. Many times people will try to appeal a wrongfully denied claim by saying, "I appeal." Or they may try to submit additional evidence, but they just don't really understand what it is they have to submit because they haven't looked at the carrier's file to determine what the true basis of the denial is. It is really crucial that you understand that once the appeal process is over, generally nothing new can be added to the carrier file. That's why you need the services of an experienced ERISA attorney such as myself, who can review the carrier file, can determine what medical evidence needs to be added, what vocational evidence might need to be added, and the correct legal arguments to be made to overcome a claims denial. It's just not writing a letter that says, "I appeal," because the judge will be stuck with what's in that appeal file or the administrative record. And ultimately you need to understand that the burden of proof is on you. The burden of proof is not on the disability insurance company. And many federal circuit courts use different standards of review to determine the adequacy of the record and whether or not there are sufficient grounds to overcome a wrongful claims denial. Simply because the judge may disagree with what the carrier has done doesn't mean that they have the legal ability to overrule the carrier's denial. It really comes down to what's in that file, what's in the administrative record, and what's the standard of review, because your appeal letter and the documentation you submit has got to address these particular issues. If you have any questions about what an administrative record is or how to file an appeal of a wrongfully denied or terminated claim, call me today at 727-894-3188. I can help you regardless of where you live in the United States.